So AMD has gone ahead and done it again. एक और OP प्रोसेसर लाइनअप रिलीज हो चुका है, Threadripper का refreshed 5000 series. This has actually been pending for the past 2 years. So let's see if it was worth the wait. Okay, first things first, AMD सिर्फ Threadripper Pro series रिलीज कर रहे हैं. थोड़ा भी स्कोप नहीं छोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करने के लिए परफॉर्मेंस पे, like literally. By the way, just in case you wondering, ये PC में 5975WX है, which sits in the middle of 5965WX and 5995WX. AMD has said there will be no change in core count, but this is 5000 series based on Zen 3, तो core speed तेज होगी, काफी ज़्यादा तेज. A similar pattern of the jump from 3000 to 5000 IPC improved by 19%. IPC stands for instruction per clock. Basically इसका मतलब ये है for the same clock speed या frequency आपका CPU 19% ज़्यादा instructions कर पाएगा. One more amazing thing AMD has done is reverse compatibility. You can use the 5000WX processors with the WRX 80 boards. And since the TDP is the same, if you want to upgrade from the 3000 series, it's simple as swapping the CPU and that's it. Nothing apart from that has changed except of course performance. What we have for you today is the 5975WX because the 5995WX hasn't released yet. We have compared it to the previous Gen Threadripper Pro and these are the results on your screen. देख लो आराम से, pause कर लो, देख लो. As you can see, 5000 series just absolutely takes it all. Overall 35% better performance. But to our surprise, with 32 and 64 cores, its single core performance isn't that far off compared to the 12900K, which at this point is the fastest performing single core CPU. So it can just about keep up with the 12900K, completely outshines its previous generation and is reverse compatible. लेकिन एक चीज की हमने तो बात ही नहीं करेंगे. Pricing. Now because of the continuous and the never ending silicon shortage, हर लॉन्च पे सब लोग ट्रिगर पे से उंगली हटा देते हैं क्योंकि प्राइसिंग. We hate to be the bearer of bad news, but pricing has definitely gone up. Threadrippers were already in shortage, so they're being retailed at higher price than usual. But 5000 series Threadripper is more expensive than the previous versions. Now 5965WX is somewhere around 2.3 lakhs, 5975 around 3.1 lakhs, and 5995WX around 5.7 lakhs. Now keep in mind this is subject to change because dollar value is changing. Now these seem to be really expensive, but for the content creators who will be editing, color grading, 3D manipulating or rendering the next blockbuster like KGF 3, obviously Rocky Bhai Zindabad, or the architects जो अगला एंटीला खड़ा करने वाले हैं उनके लिए हाई डिटेल ब्लूप्रिंट कॉन्सेप्ट जल्द से जल्द बिना टेंशन के रेंडर करने के लिए, और आपके डेटा साइंटिस्ट who feed data to your algorithm ताकि आपकी दिशा पटाने की फोटोज पहले फीड में दिखे आपको, ये सब लोग के लिए this probably doesn't matter. अमीर होते हैं सारे लोग. So can we expect a price drop soon? I mean, it's going to depend if it's in demand and the already acute supply shortage. We'll see a hike in prices due to availability. ये होता रहता है, demand and supply economics 101. So buying a Threadripper is not easy on your wallet. So it's important that you understand your use case first. Or you could leave it to us actually, the MVP. We build and ship custom PCs across the nation, providing personalized consultation to ensure the best value for money. खरीद लो हमसे best PC बनाते हैं. That's all from us. Stay tuned to our channel and we'll also be covering the launch of Ryzen 7000. Very excited about that.